Welcome to Andig OTDR model 1131. The equipment turn on button is on the right side of the equipment. It conforms to the TSEC GR as mentioned on the screen. After the system initialization, the main menu is displayed as shown. The manual menu has the option of pulse width, wavelength, mode, distance, etc. All are operated using the up and down arrow keys. The distance range is up to 200 kilometers. In the manual mode, we have now connected 5 kilometers of spool along with an attenuation of 2 dB in the middle. We shall now check the performance of the equipment. Press the scan button. The indication for the laser being turned on is shown here. Now it's turned off. The display of the equipment shows the fiber characteristics. We will now see the features. This has a 2 cursor system. Press the cursor button once. Press it again. The cursor A and cursor B are displayed. The distance is also displayed at the cursor along with the power at that particular cursor. The difference in the distance is and the power loss between the two cursors is at the top left corner of the screen. Further, we can zoom the particular display by pressing the zoom. When you press the zoom once, the zoom is for horizontal, that is enabled. When you press the zoom again, the vertical zoom is enabled. The zoom can be made more or less using the up and down arrow keys. The screenshot of the particular fiber trace can be saved directly onto the USB. Now the USB is highlighted. The USB up to 16 GB or 32 GB can be connected here directly, and the button can be pressed as OK. Alternatively, you can save the trace in the memory. In the memory, it gets stored as a .sor file. As an add-on function, we also have a handheld printer. This printer is connected through a RS-232 port which is available on the top of the equipment. The handheld equipment is connected over here, and a print button pressed will directly print out the screenshot of this particular fiber trace. Finally, this is for recalling the waveforms. When you recall the waveforms, it gives you a tree file depending on when the file was saved. And you get the file opening, and then you have another fiber trace in a green color overlaid upon the existing fiber trace. The equipment comes with a universal connector as shown. The equipment also is housed in a protective silicon enclosure which protects against shock and electrical other interferences. The equipment is certified by the EMI EMC, and it has undergone all the QM 333 tests. And this is the first OTDR completely made in India. Thank you.